Hello and welcome. This is Explain That, and this is how to turn on your Facebook monetization. So first, make sure that you're logged in to your Facebook account that has the monetized Facebook page or the page itself. So just tap onto another tab and go to Meta Business Suite or Creator Studio. So just log into that specific page that you want to monetize, and there you should be able to see the monetization option in the section of that in the middle left side. So just tap on it and it will redirect you to this page, and you should be able to see the status. So just tap on the view page eligibility and you'll be able to see there a lot of regular or the needed specifications and requirements for your page to have the monetization and for you to gain or earn any money at all. So in the branded content, for example, somebody sponsored you in any way or form, you should be able to add it here instantly so that Facebook will automatically grant you within the ad section. So just like this one, some monetization tools application. And that should be it.